Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to talk to you about injuries or pain and stuff that you may be having that you're trying to deal with and you feel like you're not getting anywhere. If you've been a certain way for a long time, say that you have had your tight thoracic spine and your tight hips and stuff like that, and you're working on that religiously and you're being really consistent and stuff like that, it's going to take a little bit longer for your aches and pains to go away than you think. So it takes a bit longer to rewrite pain habits than you think. So if you've had your tight thoracic spine for a long time and you've always compensated with your lower back, so if you are not able to rotate from your upper spine, you have to rotate from your lower spine, so your lower back. That's going to make your lower back too mobile. It's going to make it feel unsafe, unstable, and if it feels like that, that's where you get the pain. So your body's talking to you, it's giving you a signal of pain to say something's not right here, something's not working properly or the way that it should. So it's not necessarily a bad thing. So it's the first thing, change how you think about your pain. Second thing is, it's going to take a while to change those habits. So if your spine's used to going whee like that, it's going to take you a while to change the mobility into somewhere else, so the whole thing sort of moves together. And then, like I said, to rewrite how it all works together as well. So stick with what you're doing. It's a big part of what the simplistic mobility method is about, is putting the flexibility that you need into the areas that you actually need it and training yourself how to stabilize in the areas that you don't. So that is primarily what it's based upon, training for lifting heavy weights and moving better before we go into any sort of specialized flexibility, which there's nothing wrong with. You just, in my opinion, you need to have a reason for it. So if you want to be able to do crazy back bends and the splits and stuff like that, it's sort of have your reason why. So there's nothing wrong with it, just have your reason why. Focus on having your good baseline first of all, being able to move properly and strong as well, and stability. And then after that, if you want to get a bit more fancy with things or push the boundaries, then by all means.